She's doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle, also known as Ghana Goddess, and I am here to show you guys my haircut. So I didn't do like a big chop or anything crazy like that, but if you've been watching my videos, then you know that my hair was in need of a shape up, a trim of some sort. And that has been one of the most difficult things about styling my hair, is that when I wear it out, I'm not happy. I'm like, this doesn't look good. The reason it didn't look good is because the ends were so straggly. So as you guys know, I've had so many ups and downs with my hair that I really just was not willing to have anyone touch my hair. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, then you know that I am a huge supporter of the line Bekekoa, which is a Black-owned natural hair line that includes a ton of products that are formulated to work super well with pretty much any hair type. As you can see, I have 4C hair, so I cannot play games when it comes to my hair products. They need to work, and I'm absolutely obsessed with her products. So I'm gonna share some of the products that I received in this bag from her as a gift, and it was just so generous and sweet, and I'm really excited because some of these products I haven't tried before. But back to the cut, for those of you who don't know, she owns this very successful hairline, but then she also owns a physical salon. So she's a hairstylist, and she's actually very skilled with working with natural hair. She is based out of Temecula, which is in Southern California, about an hour and a half from LA. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what it was like going into her salon and what it was like experiencing her do my hair. Wow, look at that. I know. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. All right, so you guys got to see Brandy. She is the absolute sweetest woman. I mean, I could talk about her all day. So sweet. And you know what's funny, you guys? That's one thing that has always been a trigger for me with getting my hair styled, is that a lot of hairstylists, when they would do my hair, they would complain the whole time. Your hair is so thick, your hair is so greasy, why is your hair so wet? How come your ends look like this? Just talking down to me the entire time or complaining the entire time didn't make getting my hair done very enjoyable. But she is so patient, literally took strand by strand and cut it in a way that shaped my face best. And after asking a lot of questions, she was also able to cut it in a way that prepares my hair to grow out in the way I want it to look when it's actually long. One thing that she told me when she was trimming my ends was that I was over manipulating my hair. I didn't realize I was doing that. I do play in my hair quite a bit more now that it's a little bit longer, but she could see that I had pretty much ripped my strands by just twisting it too much. And you guys know I love twisting my hair, and I am a really rough twister. And that's also a problem too. She just told me that I really need to be a little bit more gentle with my hair. I'm gonna try my best, because she was so patient with the way she was doing it, and my hair came out so beautiful, you guys. Just take a look at the back of my hair. This is what the back looked like walking in. Okay, now look at it now. Do you see how just trimming your ends and just getting a shape up can truly change the way your hair even looks? Incredible. Now, she also styled the front part of my hair, as you can see, but this is actually the way I wear my hair. I wear my hair like this, and she kind of did the middle part, which was cute for when it gets longer. That's exactly how I'm gonna wear it, like how she wears hers. But I like this little circle. This is like my look, you know. But even with this, it's so uniform, and that's what's important to me. Now, as far as how much she cut off, it wasn't a significant amount. And I told her, cut off whatever you want to cut off. I don't care. I trust you, and I know that this doesn't really mean anything if it doesn't look good when I style it. So I did not care even if she were to cut the back this short, really, because it wasn't looking good. Now I know it looks short to you guys, but it's still not as short as it looks. It's, pull it a little bit, show you. So it's about down to here. When I went in, it was about down to here. So I want to say she took off about an inch and a half max. And this is a great length for me, you guys. I'm very, very happy with my hair. I'm very happy with the cut. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and show you guys what it looks like. I just did a regular twist out. I experienced in her salon that I hadn't before was a deep treatment. She gave me a goddess treatment, and it was so nice. She put her newly formulated deep conditioner, which I'm going to share with you guys, in my hair and had me sit under this crazy looking steamer, and the moisture just, like, my hair transformed. It was one of the most incredible experiences. So I love this cut. I think it's so cute. I feel so much more confident in it, and I've been getting so many compliments. If you guys happen to be in the area, or if you know you're going to be in California, reach out to her. I'll leave her booking information below. Now I want to get into this now. She was so kind to give me some of her products, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. Some of them I've used in the past and I'm obsessed with, and then some of the others I have not used, but I'm very curious to see how it works. So I want to go ahead and talk about that. So firstly, what makes her products any different than the millions of natural hair products out there? Really, I mean, I found out about her through someone else, and I know I've shared her products with a lot of you guys, but if I was just in a store and I saw it, I wouldn't know what makes this any different than like a Shea Moisture or something else. So what I've found with her products is that most of them contain tamanu oil, which is a high-end, high-potent oil, and tamanu oil has so many different beauty benefits. I have a video talking about tamanu oil itself. If you want to watch it, I'll link that below. However, a lot of her products contain this oil in it, which is fantastic for sealing your hair and for growth. I have been oiling my scalp religiously with the tamanu oil and Jamaican black castor oil together, and my hair just shot up. Like, it just started growing like crazy, and I really hadn't changed anything except dumping that tamanu oil into my castor oil, and I was just really blown away by how long my hair has gotten, and that's a huge part of the reason. When I use her products, I feel more like I'm in a salon. They are salon grade, in my opinion. They're a step up from the Shea Moisture, so we're talking more like on the level of like Comet Biologics, something that you could see maybe in a Sephora. That's the kind of quality you're getting with her products. My absolute favorite product of hers that she gifted me with, I'm so happy, is the Be Clean Cleansing Conditioner. You guys remember this one, Bay Clean, because it's Bay. It really is Bay. She used this as a leave-in for my hair, actually, even though there is a leave-in in her line. But this is a cleansing conditioner, so you can use it as a co-wash, you can use it as a conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, you can even use it as a styler. It's like your one-stop shop. It is an amazing product for moisturizing your hair and feeling like your hair is cleansed when you do use it as a cleanser. It's just phenomenal. And then this is the leave-in conditioner. It's called the Be Hydrated leave-in conditioner, and I've actually used this product years ago, but it's now been reformulated and now it includes a tamanu oil. I've always used this product very sparingly. One, because of the price. Two, because it's quite thin. My hair is thick, it's kinky, all that. So I usually like stuff that's very thick and that just slathers all over my hair. And she also told me that I'm very, very heavy-handed with my products, which you guys could have told me too, because you know that I am, and I need to work on that, because it actually weighs my hair down and it makes my styles look a hot mess sometimes because I got too much products in it. But this leave-in conditioner is super light. So when I first started using it, I was like, I don't think it's gonna work for 4C hair. I don't use it as a leave-in conditioner in that kind of way. I use this specifically for when I'm gonna blow dry my hair, because it's so thin and light and it coats your strands so well that it's great for protecting your hair with the heat damage. And it's also great for, you know, if you're ever blow drying your hair and you have leave-in conditioner in it, God forbid, it's thick, your whole blow dryer is gonna be all over the blow dryer. It's gonna just be disgusting. So I like to have something very thin in my hair for any heat styling, because you don't want your hair weighed down. I love it for that, and I also love it for when I'm doing a style and I'm so scared I'm gonna get flakes. You know, when you do curling rods or flexi rods, something where you're using a gel, I'm always like, please no flakes. They ruin your entire hairstyle. So I love using this because I know for a fact I can use this in a gel and there's no flakes because it's so thin and light. But if you have a looser curl pattern like in the 3s, then this is a fantastic, just a general leave-in conditioner. And just depends on your hair. Everyone's hair is so different that you just don't know what works until you try it. But for my hair, I love this for that specific reason. And then I have a Be Relieved, and this is for dry and itchy scalp. It's tamanu oil based, but it also has Pkwy nut oil in it and a whole bunch of other essential oils like chamomile, lemon, frankincense, myrrh, ooh, frankincense and myrrh, lavender, vitamin E oil, and rosemary. When I first saw this, I thought it was the coolest thing in the world because it's a roller ball, you guys. It's an actual roller ball. So you can throw this in your purse. If you're somebody who struggles with dry and itchy scalp, if you have braids in or something in your hair where you know that it's going to be itching because it's time to take it out, I feel like this is just perfect because all you do is roll it on your head and it doesn't smell bad. My go-to for itchy scalp is usually like a tea tree blend, but the problem is as soon as you leave your house, your hair smells nasty, and I don't like that. So I only try to oil my scalp at night, and I feel like this is gonna be like the perfect in-between. And next I have this, and it's called Be Slay'd. It's a firm hold, paraben-free, water-soluble edge control gel. And you're just supposed to warm your product in your hands and work into wet or damp hair. It seals, locks, lays down edges, and individualizes curls after a twist out or wash and go. So essentially it is an edge control gel. Now, let me tell you something. I've used every edge control gel on the market because my edges stay being a problem. Okay, they stay being a problem. We're gonna talk about that in another video. So when I saw this, I was so excited. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this works for me. She put some in my hair when she was doing it, and I was very impressed that it didn't rub off like it sometimes does. It didn't grease up like it sometimes does. It kept the hold. It kept the hold the entire day. So I was quite blown away. So I'm gonna have to try it out myself and see if it really works. But I will tell you that it is water-based and it does have castor oil in here, and it has see, some burdock roots, it has some lemon peel, it has horsetail extract, lots of awesome stuff in here. So this is actually quite promising. I have my fingers crossed, you guys. All right, so the last and most important product, and that's why I'm saving it for last, is her brand new deep conditioner, and it's called Be Lola. I love the packaging. I love the symbol of the Lola with the heart. I think it's beautiful, and it is a handcrafted deep conditioner that enriches the hair, soothes the scalp, and lifts the mind, body, and spirit. It starts off with water, and it has aloe vera juice in it. It has betammonium sulfate, which helps with moisture. And it has emulsifiers. It has Pkwy oil in it. It has honey, apricot oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil. The list is quite long, but I was beyond excited knowing she came out with a deep conditioner because of how much I love her conditioners in general. And the smell, I can already tell you, when she used it on my hair, I thought that it was someone's perfume that just had gotten on me all day. And I got home and I'm like, oh, that smells good, because she actually used a deep conditioner to do the twist out, even though she used very little. Now I want to talk about this deep conditioner because it's not just a deep conditioner. It's special. Now, the reason why it's special is because she created this deep conditioner to help support her mother. Her mother is in the process of fighting cancer. And as you can see her here, she is absolutely stunning, just a beautiful woman, and her name is Lola. So she created this deep conditioner in hopes that the proceeds can help to support her treatment. Her treatment is extremely expensive, and God forbid any of you guys have ever had cancer or know someone who has cancer. It's very difficult, and that's why half of the proceeds from the sales of this particular deep conditioner will go towards her treatment. So that means a lot to me, you guys. That means a lot to me. Just knowing that she created a product for her mom. That in itself means a lot to me. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. But just knowing that she's suffering with this illness and knowing that this is something that's gonna help support her treatment, that is enough for me to want to support her. And I'm very, very excited to try this on my own. When she used it on me, my hair felt very moisturized afterwards, and all of like my elasticity just came back. My hair was soft, and using it as a styler, which I've never done. I've never used a deep conditioner as a styler before. So I may actually come back and do a video just using this deep conditioner as a styler and showing you exactly how it makes your hair come out. So this is the Be Lola deep conditioner. And that's about it for the haul, you guys. So I'll definitely be incorporating these products into my natural hair routine. I'll be back soon with a video showing you guys my hair routine. Be sure to check out Bekekoa. I will link her website below, and you can also reach out to her on Instagram. You can see lots of pictures of people's hair before and after. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything. I am loving my hair, and it's right in time for the summer, so I really could not be more happy. I appreciate all of your love and your support on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Big kisses. Mwah. Peace, love, and light.